Here we have this 18-plate BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport GRAN Coupe. Comes with the LED headlights with the kidney grills in the centre in black. We've also got the M Performance kit in black on this, so that's with the front splitter at the bottom. Front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera with an in-car visual display. You can see we've got the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the blue M Sport design caliper behind. Black side skirts at the bottom. Privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with the black trim around the outside. Colour-coded door handles and door mirrors with the colour-coded shark fin antenna. As we come to the rear, you can see we've got the twin exit exhaust integrated into the diffuser with the parking sensors running across the centre of the bumper. Now this vehicle does come with £4,500 worth of factory extras, all of which are listed on our website. This car does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see that we've got the all black leather with the isofix points and the armrest in the centre. We've got the electric windows on the door just there. Onto the front seats, you'll be able to see we've got the same styling front seats. Both of these seats are heated and electrically adjustable on the side just there. We've also got the bifold mirrors with the electric windows, premium Harman Kardon sound system, automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, turning this vehicle on. My foot is on the brake, press the start button, and as you can see on the dashboard, we're free from any warning lights other than the fuel. On the left hand side of the steering wheel, we've got the cruise control and speed limiter with the paddle shift behind, and on the right hand side we've got the volume button with the paddle shift behind also. Onto the main screen, you can see we've got the satellite navigation. We've also got the DAB radio and the Bluetooth media as well with the Bluetooth phone connectivity. As we go into the menu and go across to my vehicle, if we just go into the vehicle settings and lights, you'll be able to change the interior lighting, ambient light from sport to classic also. Making our way down, you can see we've got the heated seats on both sides. We've also got the heated windows just there with the air conditioning. I'm just going to turn that down as it does get pretty loud. We've also got the cup holders just there with the automatic gearbox and the different drive mode button. So if you press this, you can see on screen that it goes into the different drive modes which this vehicle can be driven, and it does also change the way the digital dashboard is set out as well. I'm just going to pop this car into reverse. You'll be able to see we've got the rear reversing camera with the guidelines, and we've also got the sensors on the left hand side. Popping it back into neutral, keeping it safe. We've got the handbrake just here with the dial and the manual function buttons for the screen. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.